Today we're taking an up-close look at Miska's 3.5-ton general duty scissor lift dump trailer with our landscape contractors package. To start, this model is available in 3 standard sizes: 5x8.5, 5x10, or 6x10 dump bed, and can carry a payload of over 4,500 pounds. The model we're reviewing today is the 6x10, which has over 4 yards of capacity with 17-inch sides and an additional 7-inch gusset. With a gross vehicle weight rating of 7,000 pounds, this trailer is towable by most half-ton pickups. Constructed with high-strength steel tube, this trailer is designed to provide years of reliable service. The landscape contractor model features rear barn doors, 7-foot detachable ladder ramps, D-rings, and stabilizer jacks for loading equipment. It also features a heavy-duty tarp-on roller for covering loads. Drop axles give this model a deck height of only 24 inches, making it easier than ever to load materials and equipment. Plus, its low center of gravity pulls better behind your truck. The Interstate Deep Cycle battery and underbody scissor lift provide fast, trouble-free dumping, while the Duraflex sealed harness protects the wiring from water, salt, and dirt. Like every trailer by Miska, it goes through their 3-part paint process. Each trailer is sandblasted, treated with 2 coats of epoxy primer and 2 coats of polyurethane paint to stand up to the Canadian elements. Looking for an even tougher finish? Get your trailer hot dip galvanized and get the ultimate low maintenance finish. Whatever finish you select, your Miska trailer is covered by our industry-leading 3-year warranty. To learn more about this trailer, head to miskatrailers.com or speak to a sales associate today.